Hey y'all, Adventure Steve. I want to show y'all something that might be occurring on the beach right now. I was out running some errands and I looked over at the ocean, and it's kind of a weird, to me it's sort of freaky. It happens every now and then, but here we are, we're in November and we're having a pretty warm day. It's raining, the air is warm, but the ocean is pretty cold right now. So I've seen it here where fog rises on the ocean and the ocean only. It doesn't come over land, and I saw it just a little while ago, so I'm hoping it's still there so I can show it to you. It's just, to me, it's a weird looking thing, kind of a phenomenon, the way the fog line actually stops. So I'm kind of hoping that's the way it looks when I get over there in just a few minutes. You're not going to be able to tell on this camera, but it looks like all the land is fine. There's no fog, you know, it's dreary and everything, but where I could normally see the ocean right now, I can't see it. So let's go up here and see if it's a really pronounced fog line. It may or may not be. I don't think it is, but I've seen it before where it's literally like a wall of fog that looks really weird, because that's where the water is, colder temperatures, and it creates that wall of fog, and it's not. Well, I thought I was going to show you something that was really cool, but I mean, it's still cool to be out here on the beach, but it's not what I had hoped. I've literally seen it to like the wall of fog right here, and then this from here back over land be completely clear, and it's some of the weirdest things that I've ever seen. What is cool is that as far as I can see that way, and as far as I can see that way, I am the only person on the beach right now. And like I said in a previous video, there's no footprints. There's no footprints except my own. I like standing in the waves. You know, I was really hoping that Mother Nature was going to cooperate with me on this one to show you that wall of fog. I've only seen it a couple of times in my life, but she decided that today's not the day, or at least not right now. So, oh well, still nice being out here. Now, one thing that I try to tell y'all when you're out here, keep your eyes open, you know, be looking around. You never know what you're going to see. So sometimes I look for some spots out here that might possibly be a secret fishing spot. Man, I would love to find a secret fishing spot. Oh wait, what is this? What have I found? Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Okay, I'm Adventure Steve. Mother Nature did not cooperate, but that's okay. We'll try it again another day. And I'll catch all of you in my next video.